Hello friends, welcome to the new vlog. Today I am in Christchurch, New Zealand and I am on Castle Rock. This Castle Rock is on Port Hills. The Maori name for this Castle Rock is Te Tihi o Kahukura, or the Pinnacle of Rainbow. It is the prominent outcrop of rock punctuating a tight corner of the summit road that winds above Ferrymead. To reach this rock by car along the summit road is no longer possible with the closure of the summit road. It took me around 25 minutes to walk from the Rapaki Saddle. You can also reach from the head of the bridle path as well. This rocky outcrop itself is 167 meters long, 83 meters wide and up to 24 meters high. The Port Hills are a portion of Banks Peninsula and from the northern rim of one of the three volcanoes that created the peninsula. The city of Christchurch has grown into these hills, making them popular weekend destination for locals and tourists looking to enjoy the outdoors. The South Island of New Zealand was originally inhabited by Maori people. In 1800s, Europeans began settling in the area. In 1992, a gondola was built taking people from base of the hills to the top of Mount Cavendish. The Port Hills have such a rich geological and cultural history. Forming part of the Banks Peninsula's volcanic formation is particularly interesting. It's remarkable how these ancient volcanic features now serve as a natural boundary and recreational area for Christchurch. For climbers and hikers, having this combination of natural challenge, cultural history and convenient access makes the Port Hills an especially meaningful destination.